तो दोस्तों स्वागत है आपका स्टडी बस में। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा हाउ टू टीच योर सेल्फ कंप्यूटर साइंस ऑन योर ओन। सो बिना आपका समय गवाए, डोंट वरी, बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस पोस्ट you will know exactly what you need to do to get started. Here is an easy to follow step by step guide to becoming an expert in computer science field. Guys, that is completely on your own, plus some advice on an alternative option that can guarantee you learn everything you need to know without any of guesswork. Thank you. Before jumping into how to learn computer science, it is important to know why you want to learn computer science. Turns out there's a lot of great reasons to get into this vast and versatile field. In the US alone, over a half million new computer science jobs are expected to open up over the next few years. That means those knowledgeable in this field are in very high demand, not just in the US but all over the world. The job prospects that open up to you once you are qualified in this field are mind boggling. Oh my god, and as our technological innovations continue to be made, new and exciting fields keep being created. Perhaps you had like to become a software engineer, making an average salary of over $1,07,000 a year. That's mean in the India it is total of 88 lakh per year. And guys, if the data is your thing, you could be a data administrator. Yes, data administrator earning around $96,000 a year.
Up till now, you know that there's a lot of possibilities out there, and we are going to know which are they. They are as follows: programming, computer architecture, algorithms and data structures, mathematics for computer science, operating systems, computer networking, databases, language and compilers, distributed systems. It is also a good idea to pick one or two that highly interest you and delve even deeper into these areas of study so you become an expert in a specific field. It is impossible to be an expert in everything, so choosing a specialization is helpful. So, step number one, learn to code.
It is essential that you learn to code before moving on to other stuff. So you know how exactly what the language that computer can understand. You learn the code, you learn the basics of the code, so you able to write software, you able to communicate with computers.
There are lots of languages out there, but first you when you choose a one language, please stick to it. I recommend you to start with Python because it's easy to use language and it makes your fundamentals so strong. So whenever you move on to the next language, you did not need to know all the basics from start. You already know that because all the basics apply to all the language. Python. After that, you can start learning C, Java, C++. That is your call.
Step number 2, learn the ins and outs of programming. After you know how to code,
You need to know how your code is working, how your code is communicating with hardware, software, and components underneath your computers. So, better speaking, it is very hard to gain a deep understanding of every aspect of computer science since it's such a huge and vast field of study. That's why it is good to choose a specialization that really allows you to delve in deep into and become an expert in a certain area. As you learn, you will probably find yourself gravitating towards certain subjects over others that interest you more.
first is computer and networking. Computer and networking, in which you learn advanced operating systems, cryptography, and advanced encryption strategies. Mobile and web computing, focusing specifically on the design and development of mobile devices such as smartphones and web based applications. And one more tips to you, it will be smart to study interface design. Human computer interaction. Human computer interaction focus on user centered design to develop computers and systems that are more user friendly. As a result, you should focus on studying different aspects of design, in particular for this field, bioinformatics. If you are into biological and you love to study biology and you have science background behind, you consider this specialization. You will be working on computer programs designed to mine and interpret biological data like genome sequencing, information management, and data analytics. This wide field is focused on the design, development, and management and use of information in order to better understand and utilize the data in the real world. You will need to have a solid understanding of algorithms and database architecture. In short, artificial intelligence AI focuses on computer systems that are able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as decision making, problem solving, speech recognition, translation between languages, etc. You should focus on learning about robotics, machine learning, probability, and modeling. Never stop learning. Keep learning, guys. A computer scientist education is never over. Even once you have found a job, it's important to always keep learning new things, and especially in such a fast paced field that's constantly evolving. There is always more to learn in the field of computer science. That is what makes it such an exciting and challenging field to get into. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next time.